Today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star mystery boxes from Valentine's Day. Got these in a while ago. I'm just now getting around to filming it, but that's okay. So I did order 2 on accident. They both went through at the same time, so I was like, figure it out later. So first thing, we have this little card. And the boxes. So yes, I did get 2 of the premium size. They retail for $60. I believe, yes, they retail for $60. Contains 4 items, 3 exclusives, with a $105 value. Now, I have not watched any videos yet. I've been good. So I have no idea what's in this. I do have a feeling that they're both the same thing, so I'm only going to be opening one. The other box I will be using in a giveaway. I don't know when yet. I have some other things, like the ColourPop Sailor Moon. That's going to be part of the giveaway as well. So I have a few things I'm going to be doing at a later date. I don't really know when, but make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you want to find out more about that. But let's get into this box. So, okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open it up. We have like a red beanie with some conversation hearts. This is super cute. How do I open you? I really like beanies. I wear dad hats occasionally, but when I just feel like going out and I don't want to do my hair, yes, this is super cute. So yeah, we have the pink one with the Jeffree Star logo, and then it just says Jeffree Star as well. This is super cute. I'm excited for this. Next, let's go with this way. We have a pop socket. I do know pop sockets a lot of times are in boxes. I really do like this pink one. I don't own a pop socket, so I'm kind of excited to try one. I've never really understood what everyone goes crazy about, but we'll find out if I like it or not. Next, let's see. We have the gloss in shade Succulent. Ooh, that is pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Stop. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It's a very, very pretty pink with some purple and blue shift in it. Oh, that is amazing. Let's get some more here. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I love the purple and pink iridescent shift. Or, what is it? No, it's blue and purple. I'm not sure. I love it. That is amazing. I'm super excited about that. And then, let's see. Ooh, we got a palette. Are you kidding me? We just got the Alien palette. I thought this was discontinued. That is awesome. I'm really excited. I don't own any palettes. I've been meaning to pick up the... I've been meaning to go to my closest Morphe store and pick one up. I just haven't yet. But... Oh, stop. These colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. This color. What? that is amazing. Let's see, that's Probe. Let's see Moon Rock. Ooh, Interstellar. Stop. Okay, this is awesome. I'm definitely going to film another video with this. I know it came out a long time ago, but it's new to me and I want to play with it. And you know, I've never used Jeffree Star eyeshadows, so I want to see, kind of do my own first impressions, see what it's like, see how it wears. This Probe shadow really reminds me of one of the shades in the Tiny Natasha Denona, the like mini palettes you can get. I want to see how much it compares. So this I'm really excited about. But like I said, I have another box. I will be putting it in a giveaway. I don't exactly know when. It'll probably be a little bit later down the line. But make sure you're subscribed to my channel to find out when that's going to happen and what you need to do. But if you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure you thumbs up it and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything in the future. Bye!